Okay guys, let's go to Boracay. This is a nicer lounge than the lounge that we had at Henan before, if you remember. Crimson has a nicer lounge area because it's homier, and they have free food also if you want food. They have coffee. Hang on. Coffee here. And then food. Thank you. Oatmeal cookies. Ube. Ooh. Macarons. Banana cake. Get water. Lemon. Hello, good afternoon. Wala tayong water muna. So since nandito rin tayo, tikman na natin lahat ng food offerings nila. We'll try the different pastries that they have here. I'll try to name all of them. Banana cake. It's too sweet, but it's good. Next is the ube. Ube is different. Pero banana cake, top tier. Banana cake, ube, oatmeal cookies. Try natin. Okay. So top one parang banana bread, banana cake, oatmeal number 2, 3 si ube. Tingnan natin kung saan magpupunta si macaron. May papel siya, so huwag kalimutan tanggalin. Wow. Okay. I put some macaron at number 2. It was good. Banana cake, macaron, or macaroon, I'm not sure. And the oatmeal cookie, and then last is the ube. Maybe just because I didn't expect the taste. It was a different kind of ube. For those of you who don't like it sweet, then the ube one is good for you. Let's try their coffee. I always like the dark roast coffee. I don't like the fruity version, but I like the darker one. Medium roast. Pwede na. There you have it, guys. This is the Crimson Private Port. Let's have a look around. There's an outdoor seating if you want outdoor. There's also a children's play area. I think the boat is there na. It's just waiting for me. But let's just try to go around. I also want to see what the bathroom is like. Every bathroom I stay in, every hotel I stay in, there's always a bidet check. And I'm happy to report, may bidet. This is the mirror side of things. Very clean. Well, there are splashes here that weren't cleaned. So medyo minus points lang. Very relaxing vibe here with the soft couches. So you can just sit anywhere you want. It's very big. It's a huge place. Okay. And over at the Crimson Resort, you'll have all of these services available for you. You can see this on the website, so okay. Imin lang natin yung coffee natin. Tapos, let's ride the boat. Thank you. So guys, we're already here at Crimson in Boracay. We've checked in. Now we're gonna check out the rooms. This is, I think, the cheapest room that you can book at Crimson. Parang lumalabas 35k for how many nights? 4 days, 3 nights. So divide na lang kung magkano yan. So room tour. Oh. Sige, POV tayo. POV room tour. Wow! Oh my gosh. Ito nga pala yung setup natin, guys, in case you're wondering how I do my POV shots. It's right here. There is a bathtub. There's a shower. Oh my gosh. Whoever can shower can see your business. Hello again. Wow! Oh my god! Once you enter, the blinds go up. It's a smart room, guys. They have a tote bag for you. They have a hat for you. Natin kung bagay. It's giving either turista vibes or it's giving Kabalen staff. Our luggage is here. Luggage. Thank you. Yes, dalawa lang. Yeah. That's how convenient it is to check in here. Okay. What else? Wow. There's a sofa here, and this is considered as your balcony. Wow. So your view is... Wait, may pool sila. Makikita natin pag magsiswimming. Yeah, being the cheapest room, I guess, you don't get the beach view, but you get this lovely garden view. You're at the sides of everyone else. There's a table there. That's it. So it's pretty convenient to... dilim. It's pretty convenient to check in here at Crimson Hotel because they just do everything for you. Ito mga downlight. Swan soft touch only. Sorry, na-distract ako. Ito pala yung controls ng lights tsaka nung windows. So, window shear. Ano to? Window down. Oh! That's what I want. You can choose between the shear and the actual enclosure. So, we'll close that muna. But as I was saying, it's very convenient to book with Crimson Hotel because they take care of everything for you. Like what you saw, they already took care of the boat, the van, the check-in, the luggage. I didn't even have to hold my luggage as soon as I dropped my feet on the ground. Well, technically from plane to Katiklad Airport. I was still holding it. Pero as soon as I was met with the Crimson staff, they already got my baggage and I didn't hold it up until we went to the room, which is here, delivered. Right? Amazing service, and the staff are very polite. They explain to you everything from the van, from the travel time. So I suggest you guys book. Let's see. Meron pa tayo dito niyang food, meron pa tayo dito niyang beachfront, how the sand is, how the pool is. So I hope you guys join me. Let's do a bit more of a tour inside. Ayan. This is the cabinet. And look at how classy the safe is. Put the safe there. All the valuables here. And then they also provide you with slippers. Oh, this is cute. It's brand new, I think. Yeah, it's supposed to be new. One small one and one big one. I'll probably use this. It's pretty nice. Ano pa bang nakikita dito? Okay. Inside the bathroom, you're provided with, of course, your cup, toothbrush, your cream soap. That's for 2 people. Meron din laundry bag. You get your hair dryer. What else is here? In the bathtub, you have this. I'm probably gonna use this for like an iPad if I want to watch something. Bathtub check. Malinis. Oh, nakikita dito. Inside, you get your cups for coffee. And what's nice is that you also have Nespresso capsules. Are these? Parang iba na, parang recyclable ones siya. It's like plastic. Espresso machine. You get your mini bar stocked with Coke and beer. The last one is just more coffee stuff. But anyway, I'll see you guys when we go around the resort. I'll tour you around all the amenities, even the gym, the pool, the beachfront, everything. The food, we'll try it out also, the bar. Para naman you'll see before you check in if you really want to pay for these things or not. So kanina, kinuha ko kayo sa ref. Ngayon, babalik tayo sa ref. Okay. See you guys.